Let me take on the hardest question about all of this, the one I hear most often, and the one that deserves an honest answer, not a sales pitch. When I talk about automating the front desk, letting AI answer the calls, take the bookings, handle the routine, a lot of owners get a knot in their stomach. Because the whole reason people love a local business is the human touch. The owner who remembers your name, the personal care a big faceless company can't give. So the fear is real and it's fair. If I let a machine answer my phone, am I trading away the exact thing that makes my business worth choosing? Today I want to actually sit with that question, because the answer is more surprising and more reassuring than you'd expect. Let's start by being honest about what the human touch actually is and what it isn't. The human touch is not you, exhausted, missing a call because your hands were full. It's not a customer hitting voicemail at 9 p.m. and feeling like nobody's there. It's not someone hanging up because no one could understand them. Those moments feel like the opposite of care, and yet they're what doing it all yourself actually produces on a busy day. We've confused the human touch with a person mechanically doing routine tasks, but answering a phone on the first ring, taking down an appointment, capturing an order. A customer doesn't experience those as warmth. They experience them as competence. What they experience as warmth is something else entirely. The real human touch is the conversation that happens once someone's in your chair. It's the owner who notices you seem stressed and takes extra care. It's the judgment call, the exception you make for a loyal regular, the genuine recommendation, the moment of connection that no script and no machine will ever replicate. That's the irreplaceable part. And here's the uncomfortable truth. That part is exactly what gets crushed when you're drowning in routine. When you're frantically catching calls and juggling bookings, you have nothing left for the actual human moments. The routine work isn't the human touch. It's the thing stealing your time away from the human touch. So reframe the whole question. The choice was never warm human service versus cold, efficient machine. Every business is already a mix of two kinds of work. The mechanical, repeatable tasks that just need to be done reliably, and the genuinely human moments that need a caring person present. The mistake is making your one caring person spend their scarcest energy on the mechanical layer, answering, logging, scheduling, until they're too depleted to be present for the moments that actually matter. Automation done right doesn't remove the human. It removes the mechanical, so the human can finally show up where only a human can. This is the way to think about a tool like KwickPhone, and it's why I'm genuinely comfortable recommending it. It is not there to replace you or to be the personality of your business. It's there to catch the routine, the calls, the after-hours messages, the bookings, the language barriers, reliably, so that none of it drops, and so that you are freed from it. It handles the competence layer flawlessly in the background, which means when a customer is actually in front of you, you have the time, the attention, and the energy to give them the real thing. The machine does the mechanical, so the human can do the human. Let me show you what that trade actually feels like. It's your busiest afternoon. In the old world, the phone rings constantly, and every ring pulls you away from the person in your chair. So both the caller and the customer in front of you get a distracted, half-present version of you. In the new world, every one of those calls is answered, booked, and captured without you touching it, and you stay fully present with the person right in front of you, giving them the exact attention that made them choose you. Nobody hit voicemail, and nobody got half your attention. That's not less human, that's more. So here's where I land. Honestly, The businesses that will feel the most human over the next 10 years won't be the ones that refuse to automate. They'll be the ones that automated the mechanical so ruthlessly that their people were finally free to be present. The warmth isn't in who answers the phone. It's in who has time for you once you're there. Technology, used right, doesn't drain the humanity out of a small business. It hands the owner back the time to be human again. So the question isn't, will AI replace the human touch? It's, what could you do with the human touch if you weren't buried in everything else? KwickPhone is free to start and keeps your number. Go to KwickPhone.com and tell me in the comments, honestly, do you think automation makes a business feel less human? Or does the routine already steal the human part away? I read every one, and I actually want to know where you land on this.